Have you ever clicked on a YouTube video and felt like you've just time traveled? Those reimagined movie trailers styled as if they're from the 1950s are pure magic, aren't they? Millions can't get enough of them, which makes these channels earn monthly income. And today, I'm here to spill the beans
No secrets.
on how you can create your very own vintage masterpieces in this niche with one incredible AI tool. First things first, you need to pick a movie trailer to recreate. Here are 4 simple methods to help you choose. 1. Search on Google for top movie trailers and sort them by popularity. 2. Head to YouTube and look at trending trailers to see what's buzzing. 3. Focus on iconic films by searching top movies of all time and recreating trailers for those timeless classics. Lastly, if none of these appeal to you, go with any movie you personally love. Let your creativity flow. Once you've chosen your movie, let's say Shrek, it's time to bring it to life.
Hop over to the AI tool in video, which I have linked for you in the description below. Make sure you are using version 3 of the tool, as it is the latest and greatest. Now, all you need is a well-crafted prompt. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's an example prompt you can tweak. Create a 1-minute Shrek trailer reimagined in the 1950s on a Vision 70s style, referencing the official Shrek trailer on YouTube. Go to YouTube and copy the link, include the trailer link so the AI knows what to base its magic on. Specify the visuals, maybe golden tones, sweeping wide-angle shots, and classic film grain aesthetic, and don't forget to include Shrek's humor and epic narrative. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate Video and let the AI work its wonder. It's that easy. From there, refine your video by tailoring it to your audience, whether they are movie buffs or just casual viewers, and optimizing details like pacing and platform-specific settings. Now, let's speak the magic.
In a land far, far away, an unlikely hero emerges. Shrek, a tale of love, laughter, and layers. Join our ogre on an epic quest to rescue a princess and face a fire-breathing dragon. An adventure unlike any other, where the unexpected becomes the extraordinary. Shrek, coming soon to theaters near you.
Not bad, right? Of course, the AI is imperfect, so you will want to polish it up. Use the edit feature to replace or enhance the scenes and fitting background music, tweak subtitles, or even upload your own media for a unique touch. The AI can even generate fresh clips from specific scenes. It's all about making your video exactly how you want it. Once you are happy with your video, don't stop there. Think about differentiating yourself from other creators. Use tools like ChatGPT to help you craft detailed prompts if you are unsure about describing certain style. It's a game changer for creating professional-looking content. Finally, once you have perfected your masterpiece, download your video in 1080p with no watermark and upload it to your YouTube channel. Don't forget to take advantage of the AI's generative plans to unlock its full potential. And remember, AI tools keeps improving, so the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Dive into this exciting niche, unleash your creativity, and start creating trailers that captivate audience. If you're intrigued, check out more tips and tutorial on this video right here.